So the arrow is pointing at the BRI Mix Curry Powder at the restaurants. And the next slide I'm going to show you how I've been using this. So this is my, this is my mixed curry powder. Right, so here we go. I'm going to do one. Just thought I'd show you guys a quick video how I've been using my BRI Mix Curry Powder at home. You may have seen this clip on my other videos, but yeah, let's get on to making the actual BRI style mixed curry powder. Hey guys, check this out. What we have here, we've got a little jar and we've got loads of spices. So what we're going to do, you've guessed it, we will be making our own BRI style mixed curry powder. So this is a curry powder I would normally make at the restaurants to serve up all the curries, but what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to make the mixed BRI style curry powder at home, just using about the 6 different spices I'll be using. So as you know, on my channel we try and give you all the secrets to the recipes that we use at the BRI restaurant, guys. Well, the one that I've used anyway, based on my knowledge and experience, I am sharing them with you. So here we go. What we're going to do to make our own BRI style, I've got a tablespoon. You can use whatever size spoon you want to, but just keep the measurements the same. You can start off with 2 tablespoons of haldi powder. Then I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. About 1/4 tablespoon of paprika powder. And I'm also going to add about 1/4 of kashmiri red chili powder. And finally, I'll be adding about 1/4 of garam masala. If you can make your own garam masala, that's absolutely fantastic. If not, the shop bought will be fine. So here is all our different spices. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly pause and take a couple of pictures, then I'll be back. Okay guys, so that's all our spices added in there. I'm taking a couple of pictures just for photo for later on when I'm uploading the video. So here is all the spices. What we're going to do now, find the lid. Here it is. Give it a shake. And as if by magic, you have got your own BRI style mixed curry powder. So give it a good shake. Look at the colour on that, absolutely amazing. Let's get some out for you. Check it out, guys. So use this recipe to make your curries at home. Now, if you're looking to make the curries hotter, so this is going to be mild spice, so it's all medium spice, well, not mild, so medium spice. If you want to add more like hot curry, so like madras or anything, what you would do, as you know, you would just add in some chili. So you'll use some of these in your curry mix, for example, and then you'll just add your desired red chili powder and so forth into your curry. So look, there you go. Right guys, hope you enjoyed the recipe. Give it a go. On my next recipe, I'm going to be doing more of these mixed powder spices, so you can get that really authentic flavours at home. I'll be using fresh whole spices to make them next one, okay? So stay tuned and look out for the next video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. See you soon.